Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, but you all know me as the van guy, and I do have some vans for you today. We're going to review over some Pleasure-Way vans, and I hope you're really going to be excited about it. I know we are. This is a Pleasure-Way Lexor. It's a TS model, and it's on the Dodge Pro-Ram chassis. Starting in the rear of the unit, you'll be looking at the electric sofa that makes down into a twin or queen size bed. Then on the driver's side, you've got your entertainment center with your TV, DVDs, and it has storage all around the unit on both sides, forming a nice little horseshoe. They have a positive latch, so they're not going to pop open as you go down the road. You have shoulder restraints in the back, so if you wanted to have two additional people to go along, they can travel facing forward and be in a very nice place with the 3-point seat belts. I have windows on both sides, and they have vents, 4 vents in the rear, 2 on the sliding door. The upholstery is ultra leather, memory foam. It's very comfortable and long-lasting and easy to clean even with pets. Kitchen has a solid surface countertop, Corian. The sink is recessed for easy cleanup. You have a 2-burner propane stove with a glass flip top, so you can use it for prepping meals. Directly below the cooktop, you've got a convection microwave, a nice storage drawer down below that, and then below the sink you have 2 doors to access that storage as well. The refrigerator is quite large refrigerator for a camper van. That's a 5 cubic foot, has a freezer compartment up on top. The bathroom area is got a nice vanity. It does have a shower curtain that shields the wood from getting moisture on it, so it is called a wet shower. The TS model has a little closet behind the driver's seat. Most of it is part of the bathroom, but there is a nice hanging space and 2 drawers down below that. Passenger seat does turn around, face the rear. Not a lot of room over on the driver's side, so basically that's just going to stay where it's at. The Dodge Pro-Ram chassis I mentioned earlier has got a 6-cylinder engine. It is front-wheel drive. And this has such a tight turning radius, you'll scratch your head and wonder if this is really an RV or not. It's 21 feet long. Automatic transmission, or it's got an option to go in manual speed. Both side mirrors are adjustable from the inside, and with the touch of a button, the mirrors collapse in for tight parking spaces. It has a fantastic fan. It has a generator. It has a lithium battery. Very important. It's a big upgrade. It's about a $20,000 upgrade for lithium. This is a very nice, clean unit with low miles. I hope you enjoyed the video. Why don't you just give me a call direct for any questions? You can call me at 541-554-9581. Yeah, my email should be popping up on the screen right now. I appreciate it. Have a good day.